Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the contactor in this Goodman central air condensing unit, you will need a 5/16" nut driver and a flathead screwdriver. Before you begin, shut off the power to the unit. You can do this by removing the fuses from the disconnect box or switching off the circuit breaker. Shut off the power to the furnace as well. Use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the two lower screws, securing the control box access cover. Loosen the two upper screws directly above the access cover so you can pull the cover down to remove. Note the orientation of the wires connected to the contactor. Use the flathead screwdriver to loosen the screws, securing the main power wires, enough to release the two wires. Detach the remaining wires. Using the 5/16" nut driver, unthread the two mounting screws to fully remove the old contactor. To install the new contactor, align it on the control box panel and thread the two mounting screws. Attach the two black fan motor and compressor wires to the appropriate terminals, as well as the two red compressor and capacitor wires. Attach the yellow and blue thermostat wires to the appropriate side terminals. Insert the two power wires and tighten the screws to secure. Reposition the access cover and replace the two lower screws to secure. Now tighten the two upper screws. Restore power to the unit and to the furnace, and the central air condensing unit should be ready for use.